Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Surpi. So as you can see by the title of the video, I shop for a few things from Nykaa, and as this is the, you can't see my t-shirt but it says Burana Mano Holi hai. So as it is the holy sale going on, I decided to upload this Nykaa haul. So I had not shopped from Nykaa since ages now, so I wanted to buy a few essential things that I needed or I wanted to try out. So I decided to film this haul video. Also, I bought a few books from Amazon, which I'll be showing you by the end of this video, and RIP English. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So this is the Nykaa box that I received. I wanted to get rid of it, and I've been procrastinating filming this video since a long time. As you can see, I'm not even able to speak blah. So anyways, sorry for that. So this is the box that I received, and surprisingly I received all the products in one box. Because other than that, you always get one product gets shipped rather than getting the whole products in one box. So love that. And yeah, I'll show you the first product, and which I absolutely love is this, the Derma Company's glycolic acid toner, and it says it's for open pores, and it contains witch hazel plus rosemary, and it can be used for day as well as night time. And I've been using this for a few days. Also, the reason I've been procrastinating filming because I was trying this out. I have a lot of open pores near this cheek area, so I wanted to try a new toner because currently the ones that I've been using haven't been much effective, and I love this toner. Like, I don't know, it does not work in once. You have to be consistent with it. So I use it during the when after I wash my face during the morning as well as during the bedtime, and I think it has actually worked. I don't know, that's what I feel. I asked my mom also, and she said my pores do seem like they have reduced in size. So yeah, I'm gonna use it, and you get a lot of quantity for, it says it's for $4.99, but I got it for a discount, $4.99 for 200 ml, and I'm loving this. So if you face problems of open pores or do have oily skin, I do have oily skin, so you can try to give this a try. Obviously every skin is different, disclaimer, so you might need to try it out and see if it works for you or not. So yeah, the second product that I bought is this Charmy's Deep Radiance Vitamin C Hyaluronic and Salicylic Acid Face Serum. So I haven't actually tried this yet. This is what the box looks like. I haven't tried any product from this. This just caught my eye because it said it contained hyaluronic acid and salicylic acid. So I decided to give it a try. This is the product. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. And it says it retails for rupees 210. Yeah, and it is made in India. I haven't really tried it yet, so I cannot tell you how it is or what. So yeah, I will try it and let you know if you want to know about it. So this is it. It says it's for hydrated, clear radiance, penetrates deep into the skin, non-sticky and quick absorbing. I hope this does what it says. So yeah, pretty excited to use this. The next product I bought are facial tissues. I wanted them since they say they have soft facial tissues, 100 pearls and 200 sheets. This was quite affordable. It says it's for 72 here, but I guess I got it for more cheaper than this actual price. So yeah, it's made in Mumbai. So yeah, sorry. Okay, the next product that I bought is this Super C Amla Extract and Zinc by Chic Nutrix. Yeah, and I tried this once. I've not been using it consistently. These are like those effervescent tablets that effervescent tablets, and it contains 20 tablets, and it retails for around rupees 390. So yeah, you just have to put one into a glass of water and you're sorted. this is how it looks like. I'm not gonna remove the tablet and show you, but it's pretty I never tried anything as such before, like these tablets, so it was actually quite fun to see when you dip it in the water and all, it goes fizzy. It is of the fizzy orange flavor, but actually it tastes not like orange but more like amla. So yeah, I don't know why it says orange when it has amla extract and zinc. Maybe it's a orange flavor, but it actually tastes nothing like orange, which I'm glad about. I hate those artificial orangey tastes which some things have. So yeah, I think I like it, like the taste and everything. Okay, this is the this is the last product that I bought from Nykaa, and this is the outer packaging. This came without a box, but this one has a box. So obviously these are different. This is the plant-based Olena green juice super greens with vitamin and minerals. This is also that effervescent tablet, and it is of fresh lemon and natural flavor. Okay, so this I tried today morning, and this one is more fizzy than that one. Like it went all and this says it is plant-based, it is soy-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, sugar-free, hypoallergenic, and GMP certified. So yeah, and I wanted to try this since I'm not very consistent with my meals and everything. So I tried this today for the first time in the morning on an empty stomach, and I quite enjoyed it. It tastes nothing like the greens and everything, but it does have a super greeny look in this thing. Maybe if I vlog about it some other day, you will get to see it, but I show you how the tablet looks like. Okay, so this was something different. Like when I pulled it out, I was like shocked. I thought this was a tablet, but no, this is a cotton, and there's the tablet right there. Okay, how many are these? These are 15, and that was I guess 20. Yeah, these are 20 and this is 15, and this says it retails for $6.99, but obviously I did not buy it at this cost. I got it at a discount. So yeah, that is pretty much what I bought from Nike. Moving on to the books that I purchased from Amazon. So these are the 3 books that I purchased, and you can see the size. This one is fat, and these are like very thin reads. So let's go to the first book. The first book that I bought is How to Get From Where You Are to Where You Want to Be by Jack Canfield. The 25 Principles of Success, and I haven't started reading it yet. Like I'm reading another book as of now, so after finishing that book I'm gonna jump right into this book. I'm actually looking forward to this book, and it had like a lot of good reviews, and it says it retails for $3.99, but obviously Amazon got discount and all. So yeah, I got it at a discount and not at this price. The second and the third book that I bought are actually I bought in a combo deal. So these are the 2 books and I got them together. So the first book that I bought, obviously procrastinating uploading videos and everything on YouTube. I promised to do it diligently and religiously next time. So yeah, I'll try my best to do that. So the first book that says do it today and it says overcome procrastination, improve productivity, and achieve more meaningful things, and it's by Teres for, I don't want to butcher the name, so that is the author's name. I'm really looking forward to read this book, and it's actually a very easy read, I guess. I'm hoping. It just contains around 131 pages. Yeah. So if you want to know about this book, or if you already read this book, please let me know in the description box. I would love to know your thoughts. This says it's the #1 bestseller, international bestseller, sorry, and the other one is Think Straight and Change Your Thoughts, Change Your Life by the same author again. The cover graphic actually caught my eyes, like, and this is also very thin book, and this one is actually fatter than this one. This contains something 131 pages, and this like contains dot 100 pages. I don't know if you can see, but that's 100. That was it for today's video. If you like the video, please do give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, if you like to see a review on any particular product or book that I mentioned in this video, do let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if there's any other video that you like to see, do let me know in the comment section down below. Until next time, bye.